Hey there, welcome to Adi's channel, the ultimate destination for all things room makeovers and interior design. Now, if you're new around here, and let's face it, most of you are, our stats don't lie. Consider this as your golden ticket to the hottest design vlog on the internet. Just kidding, or not. Anyways, I'm Adi, your self-proclaimed design enthusiast, and today we're about to dive headfirst into a project that's been simmering in my creative mind, a bedroom makeover virtual edition. But before we embark on this dazzling bedroom revamp, let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. My bedroom, folks, has been through it all. From its wild and tame beginnings, which I bravely shared in my very first video, to the radiant, welcoming space it has become today. Look at this, a chaotic canvas that evolved over time, with a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of inspiration. I've added personal touches, carefully created decors, and even embarked on a couple of test setup makeovers just like these ones. Now, I think it's time to spice things up because I'm launching a brand new series wherein I'm going to transform my bedroom into various styles and themes. We're talking cozy minimalism, sizzling boho chic, and everything in between. So hold on to your hats because each episode will be a roller coaster of design experiments, explorations, and elevations. Think of it as your backstage pass to gather ideas and inspiration for your own creative endeavors. Now, my dear viewers, whether you have been a part of our design family since day one, or you just swipe right to join us today, I wholeheartedly welcome you to this epic transformation journey. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss a single moment of this jaw-dropping series. And now it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into the nitty-gritty of today's project. We're turning this bedroom from a minimalist haven into a pop art explosion. Let's start by checking out the current setup. We have here an existing cabinet, single bed, shelving, and a study desk. In total, we've got a cozy 6 square meters to work our design magic on. And we will be kicking things off by retiling the floor, changing the window frames to a crisp white, and adding some overhead storage, and crafting an accent wall at the workspace. And oh, let's not forget about the showstopper, a bed with a storage galore, and of course, a touch of lighting magic. Now, here's the kicker. Since I don't have funds to make this project to reality, we're going to embark on this journey digitally. And where else to begin but with a bed? We're talking building it from scratch, folks. Picture this, a bed with a secret storage compartments big enough to hide all your clothes and other essentials. And I think this is the best way to save more space by also providing more storage to the room. Just like this. And for the cherry on top, these RGB lights in the toe cake for that epic accent lighting. As for the beddings, we'll be adding this customized headboard and the bed linen from boost.com. It also includes a duvet and a pillowcase. Speaking of duvet covers, say hello to these birch palm covers from IKEA. It's like they were made for each other, blending seamlessly with our theme. In case we may be needing for extra storage, we're thinking of keeping the existing overhead cabinet but jazzing it up with some fluted cabinet doors for added character. Trust me, it's going to look fantastic. Look! Now, right next to the bed is our workspace oasis. We've snagged the sleek and stylish white mount desk from IKEA, complete with a pull-out panel for that extra pizzas. And as for the rug, we're throwing in this rug designed by Klipan, RK, which illustrated by Linnea Anderson. But wait, there's more! A vintage rattan cantilever chair from Lazada, a monitor riser from IKEA, a matte desk pad from GroupMade, all coming together for that perfect PC setup. We've also got these white Kanto speakers, the ones that I've been daydreaming about for ages, plus a wall magazine from IKEA, and decorative plants to keep things fresh. Now, let's not forget the ingenious pull-out panel, which will double as my bedside table. It's a perfect spot for my beloved books and some NewJeans merch, which, by the way, I have been so obsessed with ever since their debut. I love their concept, as well as their discography. That's why I'm going to put some posters and photo cards from their album on my wall. To add more drama to my workspace, we're introducing a fabulous lamp and a wall lamp on top of my headboard, perfect for those late-night reading sessions. Plus, we're illuminating the workspace with wall lights and trap lights, all courtesy of IKEA. Now, onto the final piece of the puzzle. We're installing this acoustic slat or wood slat panels from the wood veneer hub, serving as the backdrop for a full-length Japandi mirror. And as for the touch of nighttime ambience, we've got a floor lamp from IKEA, which is going to be lit literally during nighttime. Last but not the least, the icing on the cake, we're adding track lights to illuminate our decorations above the television, a white shelf, picture frame, and some charming accessories, all sourced from IKEA to complete the picture. And now, a little treat. Here's a sneak peek from NewJeans music video. And that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you are as pumped as I am for this epic bedroom makeover journey. Stay tuned for the enchantment that's about to unfold. And hey, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Become part of this design revolution. Until next time, design dreamers, this is Adi. Bye.